Okay, so now that you have watched my video with the notes and taken notes, we're going to work on a Google slide of air pressure and weather fronts. Okay. All right, so here you're going to drag the four causes of changes, atmospheric changes in the box. Two of these don't belong. So meteorology is a study of weather, and an anemometer is a weather tool. So I'm going to push these to the side, and then you're left with four. Okay, so drag those four over there, and you have the four causes of changes. Okay. All right, so low pressure and high pressure. So I said earlier that low pressure is associated with rainy, stormy weather, and high pressure is associated with clear, dry weather. And you don't have to know these two, so I'm going to put them to the side because you do not have to worry about those, okay? Actually, I'm just going to delete them, and then you don't have to worry about them. Okay, so looking at this map here, if low pressure systems bring, just foul weather, like not good weather, like you don't want to be outside, unless you love rain. Which, I mean, I love rain, but anyway, like you don't want to plan a picnic on the day of a low pressure system. So, what is the weather like up north? So, what would the weather be like if you were right here? And then it's going to ask, what would the weather be like if you were right here and right here? So, go on and just click on those and fill those out. Oops, I went backwards. Okay, so now we're talking about fronts. So, what is it called? And I think that you can do these by yourself. When we'll do them together. What is it called when two air masses meet? And that is a front. Why do fronts happen? Well, fronts happen because you cannot mix warm air and cold air. And then what happens at a front? The weather changes, clouds and precipitation is formed, and the types of fronts are warm, cold, and stationary. And if you listen to the weather, you hear those terms often. All right, so you're going to go to this website, all right, and it gives you all this information about cold fronts, stationary fronts, okay? And then you're going to fill this part out, all right? So all you have to do is fill out the center. Read each description, and using what you've read right here, okay, and the knowledge you've already got, you can put these where they need to go about fronts. Same thing. Tell me what kind of weather is during the front, and then weather after the front. All right. So what type of front? Actually, we're going to take that part out. I'm not going to do that one. Okay. All right. So explain it. We'll take that one out too. You're welcome. All right. And that's it. That's all you have to do because we'll do the storms tomorrow. Okay. All right. Bye.